Hi everybody, it's Andy, and this is part 2 of how to 3D print. Today we are going to be looking into the 3D printing software and focusing on how to use it. Let's get started. Right here we are in the 3D printing software. I use Cura, but you're allowed to use any type that you want. Also, the 3D printer that I use is an Ender 3. Right here we have this little folder. We're going to click on it. I'm going to be selecting the ALP2 holder tools. As you can see right here, we have our ALP2 holder right here. If you're wondering what this is for a company called TW Controls, who is working on a new design for their ALP2s. I'll put a link to their website in the description below. This company wants me to make 20 of these holders right here. I am going to move this one right over to the corner. TW Controls has already scaled it down for me, so there's no worries right there. But I'm going to put it on the edge. So I'm going to assume that's probably about 75. And there we go. As you can see right here, we have 12 ALP2 holders. Next, we're going to hit slice. As you can see, it's slicing. So during that time, I'm going to be talking about different features in the Ultimaker Cura 3D printing software. Right over here is nothing that you would need to mess with unless you're really trying to do something that's out of normal range. The estimated amount of time it would take is 1 day, 8 hours, and 46 minutes to complete. Then it's going to ask us to save to a removable drive. We're going to hit save to removable drive. Then we're going to inject. We will remove the removable drive, and then we will plug in our file. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned how to use the 3D printing software. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment on this video what you would like to see next. Queen and Andy saves the day.